Let's see how to remove app from your weak site. If you no longer need an app on your weak site, follow this simple step to remove it. First, open your Wix editor and go to the dashboard. Then click on the app in the left menu and select Manage Apps to view all installed apps. Find the app you want to remove, then click on More Action or the three dots and select Remove or Delete. Confirm your choice and the app will be uninstalled from your site. And that's it. Your weak site is now free for unwanted app. That's how to remove app from your weak site. See you soon!